Brest. We ended up a little bit end of the fleet at the Inchurst in Brest, but we know our mistakes and we have to improve on that. We could compete their height and speed, and this is very good, so we look definitely forward to the next Inchurst. The most impressive thing, if you have 20 knots of wind, you sail 15-16 knots of boat speed downwind, and especially flat water, so this is quite impressive. How the boat is accelerating and going fast. It's pretty much on boat handling to have the boat flat on the water and do not heel too much in these conditions. We had here in Brest, so this was nice. The last Inchurst we finished in the harbor, right in front of the dock, with a lot of audience which was shouting at all the boats and screaming. So this was very impressive, and this only can be at the Tour de France here in Brest.